You need more than a mix, you need the best of both worlds. And that's where the topic of today's video comes in, Elistair's Safe-T Tethered drone system. It offers a smart solution to one of surveillance's biggest challenges, the uninterrupted and continuous monitoring of a static surveillance system while giving the flexibility and extended coverage of mobile systems. Thinking about event security, managing large crowds and ensuring safety requires constant vigilance. With the Safe-T, you can maintain uninterrupted power supply to your drone, which enables you to have time coverage without the hassle of swapping batteries or deploying multiple drones. This means you have eyes in the sky, continuously monitoring potential threats or incidents, ensuring safer environment for everyone. Now consider site security. Whether it's a construction site or an industrial facility or any sensitive area, these spaces need around-the-clock digital surveillance. Traditional cameras have blind spots and regular drone flights have limited flight time, but with the Safe-T, one drone can stay aloft, providing constant aerial perspective. This makes it easier to spot unauthorized access or any other security breaches, allowing for quicker and more effective response. And when it comes to traffic monitoring, the Safe-T truly shines. The extended flight time means that you can analyze traffic patterns continuously and identify accidents or bottlenecks in real time. And you can even coordinate responses more efficiently. Now, this isn't just about keeping drones in the air for longer, it's about enhancing our ability to manage and respond to real-world situations with greater precision and speed. In a nutshell, the Safe-T takes the potential of drones and elevates it even further. By removing the limitations of flight time, it transforms them into powerful tools that deliver continuous, reliable surveillance across multiple sectors. Whether it's keeping a crowd safe, securing a site, or managing traffic, the Elistair Safe-T ensures you're always one step ahead. Now, if you want to learn more about this system, leave a comment or stay tuned for future videos.